we have implement one of the best process in our organization. Because of that, we get a real-time data in our spreadsheet instead of taking data from each and every department. We have implement that particular process in our ERP system through Google spreadsheet. I got a lot of insightful informative information from the sessions and the course.
Hello everyone, welcome to one of our success stories again. I will not take any further time. I will just hand over the mic to this person which you can see in your frame, and they will introduce themselves and whatever they want to share with us today. All right, over to you.
So my name is Avinash Dervankar. I am 32-year-old. I'm staying in Mumbai and I'm working with textile industry as an HOD for production planning and operations. So I have just recently joined Be10x Mastery Course, AI Mastery Course, and I got a lot of insightful, informative information from the sessions and the course. And the same thing I have implemented in my working professions. And we have implement one of the best the best process in our organization. For because of that, we get a real-time data in our spreadsheet instead of taking data from each and every department. We have implement that particular process in our ERP system through Google spreadsheet. So now we take all our real-time data of production on one single Google sheet because of certain advantage of SQL and certain advantage of Python. And with my team, I have done this implementation in our organization.
Okay, that's fantastic. So you've basically taken out an element from out the course and actually implemented it in your real work. Like, that's fantastic. So if I may ask you that, how did you get to know about this course and what made you buy, the mastery program?
I get to know from Instagram, and even I have heard about this course by a lot of my friends.
Okay.
And I was in a plan to enroll in that program. Frankly speaking, I have joined this course late. I mean, if I say I have to join this earlier to take that advantage, but I have joined this course late. After that, I have enrolled this program I got the information from Instagram, and then I joined this course. And my purpose is to it's now the entire globe, we can see how AI is booming now. And even side by side, we have to adopt this technology and we have to upgrade this in current practice market. That's what my motive to join this course.
All right. So how much time did it take you approximately to finish this course, if you finished it?
So I require hardly, because I'm working profession, I require hardly 6 months. And even I have recently joined one of another program like LWD program also.
Okay, that's fantastic.
So, yeah.
Okay.
So I would take hardly 6 months for that, but depend on the further schedule of the lecture.
Yeah. So we've already sort of discussed as to how you've implemented the learnings in your daily workflow, and I'm sure like you would do more and more as you come through.
Very informative, and
exactly.
All the faculty and staff are very informative and supportive.
Okay. Right. So that's fantastic. So if you so I'm trying to be a bit sneaky here, but like, could you tell me some sort of quantifiable measures as to how it's helped you? I mean, what promotion or is there anything specific that you achieved after completing the course or after purchasing the mastery?
If I frankly speaking with you, I have already heard about ChatGPT. I used to it, but I don't know how to use it. I mean, in a day-to-day operations. And from this course, I get to know how to, I have already used this tools or AI tools in my day-to-day or working professions. But to how to use that software in day-to-day operations, how to use and implement new software, about and which are the new software which is coming into the market, that I get to know from this course.
Okay. So, any sort of automation of tasks, or do you have sort of more time to enjoy, or any successful promotion or anything that you just noticed? Maybe some free time that you have more because of the tools that you're able to use.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we have a lot of time to invest or to utilize our time in such courses. So I have decided, I'm working professional. I'm 9 to 8. My job time is 9 to 8, but still I managed to attend live sessions and to
Yeah.
or else I get a recording session from the LMS. So
Okay.
that is the advantage from the courses, which I believe everyone can take on from.
Right. Also, I just heard as I was reading through some of the feedbacks, and I heard that a lot of our students actually went there, got these skills, and same like you, right? They implemented some of those skills in their workflow, and they were very important to their organization, and they actually leveraged a higher salary for it, like by creating dependency. Now, when they can do a task faster and better than everyone, it obviously results in a monetary. So, are you planning to do that? Is that on the cards or something?
Yeah, obviously everyone is planning for their good career, and
Yeah.
I'm also planning for that even.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to utilize that skill to upgrade my skill.
Yeah.
And even as you said, I have already started connecting with my LinkedIn. I have started posting on the LinkedIn. I get a
Perfect.
lot of insightful session from the faculties. Yeah.
That's
Still
fantastic.
looking for the.
That's fantastic. So, Avinash, last but not the least, any feedback for us, our team, because we're always willing to improve, and so that we can serve you better, we can get the best content out there on the whole of internet, so that everyone can study and grow together. So, any feedback?
So the sessions are good. All
Okay.
sessions are insightful and informative for everyone. My only feedback is, can we take more as per our sessions, we are mostly working on ChatGPT information. But if we started our actual modules, what we have started earlier, I mean, what you have planned for, then would be better to understand more about the other future advantage. But I know there are few people who are new in the
Yeah.
session. There are few people who are mediator in that.
Okay.
So I understand the things, but
Yeah.
still it's a good session.
So, okay, no, feedback noted for sure. We in the team are going to look into this, because we want to keep pace with everyone, but also want everyone to feel in a personalized way that course also moves according to their way. Okay, all right. So I think that was it for from your experience. I certainly loved it, and hope you did it too. So thank you so much for sharing your valuable experience, and we shall connect with you soon.
I mean to say it's a pleasure to talk to you about this session.
Yeah, but just before we go, I would also like to remind you again that as you're one of our star achievers from our batch, and you have done an incredible job of upskilling yourself, we'll be very, very, very happy to announce that you'll be getting a brand new pair of AirPods for you, delivered to you very, very soon. So I hope you're excited about that as well.
Sure. And thank you so much for that. And
No
it
worries.
will definitely motivate us and motivate me as well.
Absolutely.
To achieve my goals.
That was our intention.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
to
sharing your
and
experience.
all Be10x team.
All right. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Thank you, Avinash.